Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But just before I start today's video, for anyone who's interested in joining my signal services or my trading signals to copy the same trades that I take on a daily basis, then please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 and I've left that link in the description of today's video. So all you have to do is scroll down, click on the link which will bring you to my website here, and click on this big button in the middle which says subscribe. But let's head over to the crude oil chart here. Crude oil has kind of based itself around $102 to $103 a barrel in the past couple of days. Of course, we got rejected yesterday up at around $108 a barrel. And we have the 50-day EMA just below us, which is pretty much trading around $100. One thing that I do like about the crude oil markets at this moment in time is that the 50-day EMA is still sloping towards the upside. That, of course, still tells us that we are in a uptrend. But that being said, in the short term, I don't really like this setup. Reason being is because we've just recently been rejected by this higher downtrend. So from the lower high, So I don't like the fact that we are creating lower highs, but as I mentioned during yesterday's video, this could just be a huge bullish flag, and if we were to break towards the upside, we could see an explosive move up towards $130 a barrel and potentially higher. But what if we don't explode towards the upside? What if this is just the start of a very long downtrend? What could ultimately send us down towards $80 or even $70 a barrel. And one area that I'm really looking for to determine where crude oil heads next is the 50-day EMA. And I'm not going to be participating in this market at this moment in time because of how small of an area we're currently trading in. I'm kind of seeing it as kind of like a wedge. You could just get that 50-day EMA, and we've got a nice little triangle here, and eventually we are going to get compressed and have to either pop towards the downside or pop towards the upside. Your guess is as good as mine, but I'm just basically waiting for that event to take place. Once we get that breakout, perhaps below the 50-day EMA, that's when I'll be looking to short the market down towards the 200-day EMA or even down to $90 a barrel. That gives you a nice $10 decline there. But if you were to break towards the upside, I'm looking for explosive move up towards 120 and perhaps even $130 a barrel, which of course gives you a beautiful $20 rally if we were to go to $130, or you could even argue a $25 rally here for the crude oil markets. I think it's very important to understand that there are some fantastic money-making opportunities on the horizon here for crude oil, but it may just require a little bit of patience. I'm not going to give into FOMO on any explosive movements that we see within this range, but once we do get that breakout, that's an area where I will be participating in this market, and I think that there will be great money making opportunities.